You're looking at a 2007 Johnford ST-40G-CF with a FANUC 0 ITC control. Machine has a 12.5-inch spindle bore. It has a 24-inch SCA 4-jaw manual chuck on the front. It has a 26-inch Shuck ROTA TB630 3-jaw pneumatic chuck on the back. 12-station turret. It's got live tooling and a C-axis. It's a VDI style turret. We have a chip conveyor for it as well. Right now the spindle is running at 30 in gear range 1. There are 4 gear ranges. That's 100 RPM in the second gear range. It's the third gear range, and that is 150. The max RPM on this machine is 500. Going to the fourth gear range. It's about 280 RPM. All right. Machine has a 50 horsepower spindle. Turn index is good. X and Z axes are good. Machine also has a tool presetter. The machine hours, cutting time, 4,190 hours. It's the tool setter. You can inspect this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you.